Making your pond look beautiful doesn't have to be a chore. Doing it yourself can be easy when you use the only brand backed by the professional-grade products of SeaPro Corporation. Introducing the SeaPro Total Pond line of pond care products. SeaPro Total Pond Blue imparts a natural blue color to the water while enhancing surface reflection and appearance. Read the product label to determine where, when, and how much product to use. All you need is a measuring cup. Pour the correct amount of SeaPro Total Pond Blue directly into your pond. SeaPro Total Pond Blue will travel throughout the whole pond quickly, giving you a beautiful shading effect. Don't hide the beauty of your pond. Get the look you want with SeaPro Total Pond Blue. For more help with application tips or weed or algae control, visit SeaProTotal.com or call 844-766-2727 to speak with a SeaPro Total Pond advisor today. Don't want to do it yourself? Call for an introduction to a SeaPro Stewards of Water preferred applicator near you.